Hello guys, you are welcome to my kitchen. My name is Mercy and today I will be showing you how condensed milk is made at home. If this is the first time you are coming to my kitchen, you are highly welcome. Please consider to subscribe because I will be sharing recipes like this every single week. And to my subscribers who always watch, like and share my videos, I don't take your kindness for granted. Many thanks to you guys. So let's get started. So we are starting with 3.5 cups of fresh milk and pouring everything inside a saucepan. Then I give it a little stir. So I put 1 cup of sugar inside the milk. So after pouring it in, then I'll stir it. The reason is because I want to get all the crystals of the sugar dissolved. The heat of the milk right now is getting up and I left the temperature at about 120 degrees. So now that it's boiling, I reduced the heat. I reduced it to low so that it won't boil over. And I'll let it to be cooking bit by bit so that all the water will be evaporating, and with time we will start seeing the color change and the thickness. So this is it boiling now. I just make sure I stir at least every 5 minutes while the heat is low, but I keep stirring to make sure it doesn't clump together or get burnt. So I keep stirring it this way, and as I'm stirring it, the water in it are getting evaporated. So see some of the milk fats coming together. So it's one of the reasons why we have to be stirring consistently to make sure that everything is still in liquid form. It's getting thicker. It's the condensed milk is actually almost here. So I keep stirring and keep boiling, keep stirring after every 5 minutes I stir. So right now the condensed milk is ready, but I want mine to be very concentrated. So I'm going to continue to boil it to get more water to evaporate from the condensed milk. See the color change is there. See it's no longer white. The sugar and the milk coming together is giving you this creamy condensed milk color. It's very ready at the moment. It's very ready. I just want mine to be very thick, but I recommend even at this point get it off the heat. So this is it. The measurements of the sugar and milk will be in the description below. So here is our condensed milk. This is it. So you can use this to drink your tea. You can use it for your baking. You can use it for ice cream. Just about anything you would use condensed milk for. So I'm going to store it up in my fridge and I'll be using it in some recipes that I will share with you. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.